How to fix 0x11B printer error on Windows. For quick solutions. Method 1. Install pending Windows update. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Step 2. Select Windows Update, then click on Check for updates. Step 3. Wait for it to install and download every pending update. Step 4. Reboot your computer and wait for the startup to complete, which can take a while. Step 5. Your PC will restart several times to complete installing the updates. Method 2. Restart Print Spooler. Step 1. Click the Windows search icon, search services and open it as an administrator. Step 2. Scroll and locate Print Spooler. Step 3. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Stop. Step 4. Right-click on Print Spooler again and select Start. Step 5. Once done, send a print job and see if the error is resolved. Method 3. Add the printer using local port. Step 1. Click on the Windows search icon, search control panel and open it. Step 2. Set the view by to large icons and select devices and printers. Step 3. Click Add a printer button and it'll start searching for printers in the same network. Step 4. Click on the printer that I want isn't listed, then select Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, then click Next. Step 5. Select Use an existing port, select a port from the drop-down, then click Next. Step 6. Select the manufacturer and the printer from the list, then click Next. Step 7. Change the printer name if you wish to, then click Next. Step 8. Click Yes to allow the app to make changes and wait for the installation to complete. Step 9. Once you've successfully added the printer, click Finish. Method 4. Disable the CVE 2021-1678 registry fix. Step 1. Click on the Windows search icon, search Registry Editor and open it as an administrator. Step 2. If you receive the user account control prompt, click Yes to allow the app to make changes. Step 3. Before you proceed with the registry editor, you need to create a backup. To do this, click on File and select Export. Step 4. Enter the file name, set the export range to all and save it in a convenient location. Step 5. Once done, double-click on the HKY_local_machine folder, then double-click on the system folder. Step 6. Double-click on current control, set control, then scroll and left-click on the print folder to open it. Step 7. Right-click on the blank area, select New, then select DWORD, 32-bit, value. Step 8. Rename the value as RCP off level privacy enabled, then go ahead and double-click on it. Step 9. In the Edit DWORD, 32-bit, value prompt, make sure that the value data is 0, then click OK. Step 10. Once done, close the window and restart the computer. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.